Hey, what's up guys? This is Dennis over at Stone Brown Studios. And today we're gonna take this old crappy Tack Scorpion mixing console, which doesn't work anymore, and we're gonna turn it into channel strips and mount it in this rack. You could do the same if you want to at your house, because I'm sure, you know, like most producers and engineers who've had equipment over the years, has an old board sitting downstairs in their basement collecting dust not being used. And it's a very, very easy process to take the channel strip out of here and mount it into here. And we're going to go over the wiring, how the wiring is done. It's very simple. And we're going to use a voltmeter, which is very simply going to test if a circuit is open or closed. Using the channel strips, when we remove them, there's 4 major constants that we'll always need to know. That is the power supply. We'll need to power each strip with power. Input, output, and bypassing the fader. Very simple to do. We're not going to be using a lot of complicated things like these buses or the aux sends. We're just using in and out and power. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove one of the channels, and keep in mind we're looking for those 4 elements: power, input, output, and bypassing the fader connection. So let's go ahead and remove this channel. I've already removed the 2 screws here, and I'm just going to use this screwdriver and just wedge it in here and kind of pop it up. Okay, so as we pull it out, we can see that there are several types of connections going on here. We have 3 wires here. Then we have this type of connection which has pins, which sits on a platform at the bottom of the console. It's many different contacts. And then we have this ribbon cable, which is also connected. And I don't, again, you don't know what connections are what because we don't have a schematic or any paperwork. So I would say the first thing we want to do is test for power.